Alright folks, we just jumped off of, I think, G1 across the road, and we got on a trail called Trail 8. This may be about as steep as we've gone so far. We've been on some steep stuff. Raindrops. For people that have TJs and Cherokees from the 90s, you guys know what the blower situation is for the blower fan for the AC and the heat. We've had ours on high all day. Number 3 position hasn't worked. I've replaced the resistor and the switch kit. Number 3 has never worked in this one. Number 4 quit. So we were relying on that AC. Well, now the fan's on number 2 setting, which is pretty low. We're getting some cool air, but sure liked it when it was blowing high. So that's another thing I have to address in this thing. But we've had this Jeep going on 5 years and 4 years, over 4 years, and we've obviously done a lot of things to it. So not unhappy, but man, that was just never a good design. And a Cherokee that we used to have had the same issue, and I put a bunch of different switches, and you would flip a switch to make one run and flip a switch to make the other one run, and it was just a combination of switches to get the 12 volts to work to run the fan. They use some kind of positive ground situation when they do that. It's a whole cluster mess. But anyway, we're back to Jeeping Trail 8, Windrock Park. I don't even know what day it is. Tuesday something, August something, before Jeep Invasion 2025. This trail appears to be a fairly new trail. Jean opened the official Onyx off-road on hers. Doesn't even show up. Oh, it's raining pretty good. I've got the trial version and it shows up on my map. That's weird. It's actually raining. What time is it? 4:20 in the afternoon. This fine Tuesday. Oh yes, it's raining. We'll pop up thunder shower. We appear to be on maybe not the best trail for a rain trail, just because it could be greasy. But right now it's got premium traction. Yeah, the windshield's going to get nasty, and then my phone is not going to focus on the trail to make good video.
May have been a bad choice.